Hello everyone, this is Sudhir and welcome back to my class. Today I am going to teach you from probability exercise number 1, question number 3. This question number 1 and 2, that is one word answers. Okay, just you can read that questions and if you know the previous videos concept, that means in part 1 what we have discussed here. So just you can go through the part 1 video. So just you can check that all the definitions. Then you can try to answer that question number 1 and 2, that is one word answers. So now here is the question number 3, that is if P of E is equal to 0.05 and what is the probability of not E? So generally the probability condition we can take here P of E plus P of not E equal to 1. So not E means we take like this. P of E bar. Okay. So P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. This is the condition. So but here given P of E equal to 0.05. Then we can substitute in this 0.05 plus P of not E equal to 1. Then P of not E equal to 1. By transposing here we get minus 0.05. So we are subtracting here 1.00 and from that if you subtract 0.05. Okay. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 we get it and here 9 we get it. So this is 0.95 is the answer. So P of not E equal to answer is 0.95. It is very important short answer. Okay. So next question will continue now. And here is the question number 4. For example, in my bag I have some candies, that is lemon flavor candies. Okay. So I want to pick up a lemon flavor candy only without looking into the bag. Understood? Then what I will get? It's a lemon flavor candy only, right? Because in my bag I have a lemon flavor candy. So I want to pick up a lemon flavor candy. So without looking into the bag I can pick up that lemon flavor candy only. So in this case the probability is 1 because it is a sure event. In my bag I have a lemon flavor candies. I want to pick up a lemon flavor candy. It is a sure event, right? So the probability of a sure event is 1. So that the answer is here 1. Now I want to pick up orange flavor candies now. So in my bag I have the lemon flavor candies. I want to pick up now orange flavor candies. So what is the probability I will get? Yes, it is 0 because there is no orange flavor candy in my bag. I have only lemon flavor candies. I want to take a orange flavor candy. So I can't get, right? So what is the probability here? It is 0. Okay. So this is called impossible event. So it's very important questions for half mark children. That is the probability of an sure event is 1 and the probability of the impossible event is 0. What is the example for impossible event? That you know many examples. For example, on a die, if you want to select a number 7 on a die, so 7 is not possible on the die, so that it is impossible event. So sure event means if you select 1 to 6 numbers, any number, if you get from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are all numbers you have selected and you have rolled a die. So in these numbers only will get any one number. So this is called a sure event. Got it? So next question will continue now. And here is another problem that is belongs to the cards. So what is the question here? Rahim takes out all hearts from the cards. What is the probability of? So 4 questions are given here. So how many cards are there total? Yes, there are 52 cards. So number of cards is equal to 52 and number of heart cards. How many heart cards are there? 13 cards, right? So each category, already in the previous class we have discussed it. Total we have the 4 categories, right? In heart cards we have only 13 cards. So 13 we have to remove from this. Then the number of remaining cards. This is 52 minus 13 equal to 39 we get. Okay. Now this is the question. Picking out an ace from the remaining cards. To picking out an ace. How many ace cards we have actually? There are 4 ace cards. That is black club, black spade, okay, and red heart, red diamond. But in this heart cards we have removed. In the 13 cards we have ace card also, right? Now what is the remaining cards? 3 cards now. So what is the favorable outcomes? Number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes are, this is 3. Therefore, what's the probability now? Is equal to, so just you can write here probability means number of favorable outcome by number of possible outcomes, that is 3 divided by 52. Sorry, 3 divided by this one, 39. Got it? So 3 ones and 3 3's cancel. 1 by 13 is the answer for this question. Now, picking out a diamond card. So, picking out a diamond card. How many diamond cards are there? Total 13 cards. So, we can write now. So, number of favorable outcomes are, we have 13. Okay. So, the probability here, in this case, probability 13 divided by 39, 13 ones and 3's cancel. We have 1 by 3 is the answer. Now the next person picking out a card that is not a heart. The picking out a card that is not a heart means, so total 39 cards already we got, which is not a heart. So finally we have 39 cards without heart, right? So number of favorable outcomes are here equal to 39. Therefore, the probability is equal to 39 out of 39. 39 cards. Number of favorable outcomes are 39 and possible outcomes also 39. 39 by 39, that is equal to 1. So probability card we got 1. So what you call it is? Yes, it is sure event. The next one is picking out the ace of heart. How many heart cards are there in this cards now? 0 cards, because already heart cards we have removed from this. So Rahim takes out all heart cards from the deck of cards. So the 13 cards we removed. So the remaining we have 39 cards, right? From this, picking out the ace of heart. So there is no card. Okay. So number of favorable outcomes now. What is the number of favorable outcomes? This is 0. Therefore, what is the probability? Equal to 0 divided by 39, that equal to 0. So what do you call this one now? So probability we got here 0, so you call it is? Yes, it is impossible event and this is sure event. When the probability is 1, it is a sure event because we have the cards, 39 cards. The 39 cards are without heart only and you want to pick up a without heart only, right? So picking out a card that is not a heart, so that it is compulsory. The 39 out of 39 cards are there without heart, so that it is a sure event. Now you want to pick up a ace card with a heart. So all the heart cards we removed, then so we don't have that ace of heart card also. That card also we have removed already, right? So in the remaining 39 cards, ace cards are there, 3 ace cards are there. But the question here, what is the question? Ace of heart. So it is impossible. So that 0 by 39, that is equal to 0, it is impossible event. So I hope you understood this model. And here is the one more important model, that is in a group there are 3 students. In a group there are 3 students. And here given the 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. 0.992. What is this probability? The 2 students not having the same birthday, right? That is 0.992. Now the question is, what is the probability that the 2 students having the same birthday? Got it? How many students are there in the group? 3 students. So what is the given here? Here given it is 0.992, that is the 2 students not having the same birthday, right? That is 0.992. Now what we should find? That is the students having the same birthday. That one we should find out. So to find out this, let the student having same birthday this is that equal to P of E. Now let the students not having the same birthday, this is P of not E. Not having means, so we are taking here not E, because you know that the rule that P of E plus P of not E is equal to 1, we should get the condition. So P of not E is equal to, now this is given 0.992. Okay, so now we know the condition P of E plus P of not E equal 0.992. So P of E this is equal to 1. So P of not E is 0.992 equal to 1. then P of E equal to 1 minus 0.992. So we should be subtract from 1.8000 because 3 places are there. Now 0.992 by subtracting this, 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0 and it is 0. So finally the answer is 0.008. What is this? The probability, the probability having the two students having on the same day, the birthday of the two students having on the same day is, that is 0.008. So this formula is very, very important. P of E plus P of not E equal to 1. So I hope you understood this question also. So next question will continue. So next question number 7, children. That question is based on the dice. So dice concept already we have discussed in part 2. So once you check that part 2 video and you can answer that question what they have given in the question number 7. That overall topic we have discussed in part 2. Okay. So now next question number 8 is, that is the based on the chord. This based on the chord questions, almost all questions we have discussed in part 3. Right. In the previous class we have discussed what is the what about the total playing card concept and how to find out that answer, right? So very simple question is asked here. That is what is the probability to pick up a red king? Red king means how many red kings will get? 2 red kings, right? 2 out of 52. So 2 out of 52 you will get here 2 ones and 2 26 are cancelled. 1 by 26 is the answer for that question. And the question number 8 is asked here some examples on the dice and cards and coins problems and birthday problems. So just you can create your own questions. For example, what is the probability to get a even number when die is rolled, or what is the probability to get odd number when die is rolled? So like this, and coin problems are there. What is the probability to get only one head when 2 coins are tossed? Okay. So and birthday problem, just before we have discussed about the birthday. In a group there are the 3 students, and what is the probability to get the birthday on the same day? This type of questions we have discussed, right? So you can create some your own questions regarding that question number. That is the last question of the exercise. Okay, that is your own questions you can create it, children. So that's the matter today. So I hope you understood today's concept. So take care, bye and jai.